Hey guys, how's it going? I just thought I'd jump on and do a real quick video of what we're doing here in the greenhouse. I know I'm very lucky to have, actually it's a hoop house, and I've been planning on doing more videos about that, but we're getting ready to do some seed starting and doing a seed starting workshop, and so we're just kind of reorganizing and doing some general maintenance. Okay, so what we've got going on right here is we're having to do a patch right here. I don't like lawn fabric in any situation except for this one, because there's no way I'm gonna be able to mow grass inside the greenhouse. But if you're gonna do lawn fabric, do this kind. But it is the heavy duty stuff. It was, I wanna say, it was about $100, maybe a little bit less for this roll. And I did go the cheap route before, just because I really didn't know what I was doing, and I bought the cheap stuff. Well, it didn't last, like, at all. So here we have a roll of a whole roll of this stuff, and I'm not even going to try to use it because it's just a lot of work to try to maintain it, because you got to pull it up and you got to put something down. So we just got through sweeping. I actually still have some sweeping to do, but it really matters how you install it. So I'm going to show you that. Make sure that you overlap it quite a bit, because you don't want any grass or anything trying to grow through. So this is overlapped, I would say, like a good 6 to 12 inches maybe. But I wanted to make darn sure that nothing was going to grow through there. So it's overlapped this way, so you can see this way. And then it's overlapped the same way, so that whenever I sweep in here, I'm not sweeping against a flap. I always make sure that I'm sweeping that way. If I try to sweep this way, it's trying to come up under one of these little flaps. Yeah, so I want to make sure I'm sweeping that way and not against this, because this is all just going to go under there. I want a surface that is as flat as possible, okay? Christy, do you have one of those wire? You can buy some staples, but we just have a roll of wire. It's pretty heavy gauge. I'm sorry, I can't tell you what it is, but it's also, you can bend it. I can't do it with one hand though. Can you just bend that on camera right here? Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna bend that, and it's really easier to drive it into the ground if you kind of cut it at an angle, and it just pushes right through. Do you have a place that we can put it, that you need it? We'll put it right here. High traffic area right here, and you just push it down in there like that. Switch hands, and then I just usually step on it. Christy's been hammering. She'll probably go over what I've been doing. That was really it. I know we're going to be talking a lot more about the greenhouse, and we're getting ready, like I said, to do a seed starting workshop, an online seed starting workshop on the do's and don'ts of seed starting. But right now we're just kind of repositioning tables, I guess, while we're in here. Yeah, I'll just go ahead and show you how we set up the tables. Okay, so all of this is just pallets, just wherever you can go scavenge for some pallets and some haydock blocks. And the reason that I like this is because you can get a lot fancier and you can spend a lot more money, but the water can flow through here. It's not going to catch water and hold it there. I want the water to flow through and go out, go away as soon as we water. And then the haydock blocks just kind of keeps it up off the floor. There's some thermal dynamics that we're dealing with. Cold air falls and warm air rises. So the warm air is all up there, the cold air is, so I don't want to put anything on the bottom. And no, we don't use our greenhouse for growing plants in the ground. I know a lot of people do that. This is really more like a nursery. This is just a place to baby them. So, but that's how we set up our tables, and we're just kind of moving stuff around, patching the where I went cheap on the landscape fabric, and then we're going to be repositioning some of these tables so that we can get the maximum amount of seeds in here, or seed starting going on in here. All right. Talk to you later. Bye. Say bye, Christy. Oh, y'all don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, hit the little subscribe button. And if you liked it, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Don't forget, you can share it. There's a little share button down here. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Cut that part. I wanted to show you one more thing about this God, I did it again. So I wanted to show you one more thing about this landscaping fabric about this I'm going to start that over again.